In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage requests and approvals in Asana. We'll set up a dedicated project to centralize incoming requests and keep approvals moving smoothly, using Asana's built-in AI to jumpstart the setup. By the end, you'll have a clear place for teammates to submit work and a simple path to review and approve it. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This is your central hub, and it makes it easy to jump into the workspace you use most. From the left-hand sidebar, click Projects. This takes you to your project area where you can create something new or browse what already exists in your team. Next, select New Project. You'll land on a screen that lets you explore options. You can browse here if you want to see templates or ideas for different workflows, but we're going to let Asana do the heavy lifting. In the top right, click Create with AI. Asana's AI will help draft a structure for you based on a short description, which is perfect for spinning up a simple, consistent intake and approval flow. You'll see a panel with project suggestions and a prompt field. This space is designed to capture your intent and translate it into a practical project layout. Type in content requests. Think of this as the home for all incoming content asks. Copy, design, video, or anything your team regularly produces, and the place where approvers can quickly review and sign off. Be as clear and concise as you like. The name content requests is a great starting point because it's easy for submitters and reviewers to recognize. Now wait for it to load. Asana will generate a draft based on your input, which can include suggested sections and a helpful starting structure. Load times can vary slightly depending on your workspace, so give it a moment. When the draft is ready, click Go to Project. Your new project opens and you're ready to manage requests and approvals in one place. From here, review what Asana created and make sure the language matches how your team talks about work. A simple flow might include areas for new submissions, items in review, and completed or approved work. Include a short description at the top of the project to spell out what qualifies as a good request, who approves what, and how fast turnarounds typically are. Clear guidance helps prevent back and forth and speeds up approvals. That's it. We navigated to home, opened projects, created a new project, used Create with AI, named it Content Requests, waited for Asana to build it, and opened the project to begin managing requests and approvals with confidence.